Put an end to your cough with natural remedies. Coughing is a very common discomfort at all times of the year. This symptom could signify the presence of a lot of conditions, such as the flu, allergies, colds, lung problems, and others. It appears as a way in which the body can quickly expel harmful substances within the respiratory tract. Generally, coughs are uncomfortable and create discomfort throughout the entire body, which could worsen the sufferer's situation. What to do? Using homemade natural remedies is generally very useful for treating coughs, which you can make yourself without needing to spend a lot of money or energy. In this case, you should pay attention to the preparation process for the remedies we are going to show you below. 1. Onion. This onion-based remedy is one of the most effective for fighting coughs. With its fantastic disinfectant, cough suppressant and expectorant properties, it helps alleviate a lot of illness. Its enzymes also allow oxygen to stick to cells, which promotes breathing. It is rich in trace elements and minerals, like magnesium, calcium, chlorine, phosphorus, iron, iodine, potassium, sulfur, zinc, and others. It is also an abundant source of vitamins A, B, C and E. In this case, we are going to show you 2 possible ways that onion can work as a home remedy. How to do it. First method. This process is simple, although it may take a bit of time. This method consists of peeling the onion and cutting it into small pieces, then, place them in a bowl and add the juice from 1 lemon plus a little bit of honey. After all the ingredients are mixed together, let it set for approximately 6 hours. Once that time has passed, you can then drink 3 tablespoons of the resulting mixture. Do this 3 times a day for however many days you like, as you improve. Second method. Cut the onion into slices and place them on a plate. Then, leave the plate on your nightstand. You don't need to do anything else. You will notice how your cough begins to subside as you sleep, allowing you to rest better. 2. Garlic. Just like onions, garlic has several properties that fight respiratory, digestive, cardiovascular, and epidermis illnesses. It is a wonderful germicide. It also acts as a powerful disinfectant and purifier. Healing with garlic is generally safe. What should I do? You want to get a garlic-based syrup. To do so, all you need is a few cloves of garlic, thyme, and olive oil. Once you have all the ingredients, blend the garlic, making a mixture with the thyme and olive oil. As soon as the mixture is thick, or is pleasant enough to drink, it is ready. We recommend drinking 1 tablespoon before breakfast, for greater effect. Drink this syrup every day. 3. Expectorant juice. Most definitely, this option is preferable to the previous ones, regarding taste and smell. Here we are going to combine the healing properties of grapes and celery. Grapes contain vitamins and antioxidants, and they have the ability to lower blood pressure. They act as a very effective method for detoxifying the body. Celery, on the other hand, has relaxing properties, which dilates the blood vessels and allows blood to flow freely. It also acts as a powerful body fluid regulator, helping to rid the body of any excess fluid. What is the process? In order to create a healing expectorant juice, you will need 1 small bunch of grapes, celery stalks and however much water you like. Once you have the ingredients, blend them all until well blended. Drink the juice at night and, if possible, do not leave the house. Will it work? Generally these natural, homemade recipes are very effective, but without a doubt, your complete success depends on you. Try to eat citrus fruit and stay hydrated. Also, avoid going out on cold nights, and cover up.